and welcome to 2-Minute Topics. Today's topic is the second episode of a 3-part series on change management, and we'll focus on training and development to ensure successful executions. So, your 2 minutes starts now. One of the biggest aspects of ensuring the success of a project, initiative, or transformation is managing how the change will impact the people within your organization. The reason that this is such a key piece of change management is because not only are the impacts of poor reception to change felt within your organization's 4 walls, but also externally throughout your supply chain if the execution fails. As mentioned in the last video, change can often be seen as unwelcomed, but the negativity surrounding change is usually stemming from how the change is presented and lack of training, support, or preparedness following implementation. So how do you fix that? Well, ensuring that you have the training, tools, resources, and support via a training program. Keep in mind that these programs need to be developed well in advance and implemented towards the end of the project execution phase. The objective of a training program is to provide those impacted by the change with what they need to know or do to successfully perform their tasks. So, it's important to keep the following in mind. Number 1, who and what. Who is the audience that you will be training, and what is the training that will be required? This is where it's imperative to have a diverse training development team providing input to ensure that training is valuable and effective from different perspectives. Number 2, delivery method. This will be dependent upon the audience and content, but utilizing multiple methods will prove useful in catering to different learning styles. And number 3, why. Much like it's important to understand the change from a business case standpoint, it's important that an educational approach is taken. So training allows the learner the chance to understand the why through seeing and doing. It's also important to note that changes impact people of all levels of the organization, so multiple styles of training and support may need to be employed in order to effectively reach those impacted by the change. Along with that, facilitation should be in multiple sessions, and easy access to reference materials and support resources should be provided. Change doesn't have to be unwelcomed or uncomfortable. Through educational, supportive, and empathetic approaches, those adapting to change can also find opportunity to grow and thrive.